You live here? Isn't that funny that I am friends with a neighbor? Just known each other forever? Old mom friends. This home's an estate, and the owner's daughter, who's in charge of the estate, is tasked obviously with finding someone to sell the property. And she was doing her research on Facebook, like you do, and she came across the Goetz team in the North Buffalo Facebook group. First of all, I want to say thank you to all of our fans that talk about us in the North Buffalo Facebook group, because that's how she found out about us. So that's amazing. But anyhow, gave me a call, and turns out we do have mutual friends, being city moms and all. We know a lot of the same people, and so we met at the house after asking some questions about the estate. Turns out we had a little bit of estate work to do before we could actually sell the property. So I helped connect her with the people who were going to help expedite that process, get that taken care of. And we are in the works of getting that done. And in the meantime, it was time to get the listing ready for market. So I met her at the home. We went through the property, made suggestions on what we could do to get it sale ready. And she did an absolutely beautiful job with her family. And we just finished having it cleaned for her this, I think Sunday was when the cleaner left. And now we are here to get it ready for photographs and meet the photographer here. So this is really almost like the heart of North Buffalo. Parkside leads from Hurdle Avenue to Starin. It's really just like the epicenter of everything that goes on. There's a great school. It's a community school, North Park Academy, that kids can lottery into if you're outside of this area, and a percentage of children from this area automatically get accepted to it, which is terrific because it's truly a community school. We don't have a lot of those left in Buffalo anymore. And this neighborhood really rallied to bring that back to a community school, and they're having a lot of success. Have a lot of friends that have children that go to that school, and they absolutely love it. You can walk to grocery stores. Dash's Market and the Co-op are two great grocery stores that are within a 2-minute walk. Bars and restaurants are in abundance all over Hurdle Avenue for a really fun North Buffalo vibe. It's a completely walkable community, which is fantastic. My expertise really came into knowing the neighborhood, the appropriate pricing, having been in almost all of the homes that we were able to use as comparable sales to price this home, and selling quite a few of them myself. She felt extremely comfortable with me being the local expert, and I'm pretty proud of that.